Alright, let's finish this. I'll hold that. We'll cut it here. And get rid of this. And then lay that one there. And I'm going to curl this around and bring it to the back. And we'll cut it here. Oops. And then I'm going to take this little half round that is left and see if I can wrap it around this real quick. Give it a little texture. I'm sort of leaving a little gap there. I don't know if you can see it. Trying to anyway. I about overlapped it there. The reason I'm leaving a little gap is because I don't have enough to go very far on this. Alright. There's that. Now I'm going to take it around that and go to the back, and we'll get rid of it. So all I did was wrap it around the curve I already made. And I could go around it one more time, and let's do that. And we'll tuck it in here. Well, we'll tuck it in here. And then cut it. And, yeah, I think I found out what's wrong with me. I might have to go to ear, nose, and throat, though, I think. I think I've got a saliva gland that is stopped up because if I eat anything sour, the whole side of my head hurts. And it has been hurting for a while. So, all this that I thought was a tooth might have been a saliva gland with a little stone in it or something. Feels like that little piece. I have to do something about that right there. Yeah, I saw the dentist again, and I said, hey, you're going to just have to pull that tooth because it's still giving me trouble. And I said, I can't take it no longer. And he got the look, and then he says, I don't think it's your tooth. And he did x-rays and everything, and so it looks like whenever I eat something sour, it just hurts. So, looks like I need to get an ENT to look at me. We're going to curl that around up here high and then go down and go across. Okay, there. I still have a little bit of something there. Probably where I'll wrap that half round around it. Always check your work for catches and stuff. All right. There we go. Wiping that up a little bit so it'll hang right. And that is a red Marcasite that I cut on our cabin machine, and now it's wrapped. That's a piece of jewelry. Y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. Check out my descriptions because I've got that free ebook up on Amazon for the next couple days, and also have Redbubble and TeePublic that I have some t-shirts on. If you get a chance, check them out. And I have I'll probably have an announcement sometime in the next couple weeks on my blog. But if you subscribe to it, you'll get the announcement. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.